So I had made a post about this car. It randomly shut off on me. I came here, disconnected the battery, put them together for like a whole night. It still didn't change anything. So what's going on is there's a buzzing sound coming from that fuse box. And when I put the key in, that's the sound it makes. And my security light, when I go to start it, it's just nothing. And it makes the sound. And I also noticed that it said no bus over here. And my security light comes back on. And my Diablo tuner doesn't even let me scan for codes. Alright, so I finally got this thing to start back up.